Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. This week I wanted to talk about the importance of mastering one medium. Master one medium, very important. Here's one mistake that information marketers make. They tend to try to master all of the mediums. So in other words, they want to go on social media. They want to do that. They want to go on YouTube and do that. They want to do stuff in the newspaper. They want to do stuff on the radio, and they want to do them all at once. Master one, so don't try to do them all. Master one of them. So try to get to know YouTube. Try to get to know social media if that's going to be your one. Maybe you're going to do SEO or search traffic. Master it. If you're going to do paid advertising, master that. If you're going to do direct mail, master that. Find one method to get traffic to your business. Find one way to find your ideal customer that you're going to make money with, and master that method before you move on to any other methods. If direct mail is your thing, go and buy and learn everything there is to learn about direct mail. Read the library books. Read the volumes that you can get from the bookstore. Read everything. Master the media. Find out what everyone says. And again, you're not looking to do this so you can teach it. That's the temptation. No, you're getting this so you can know it and implement it. Now, you know about what the added benefit of that is, though. It's that once you really master one medium, you can teach the people in your audience. You can teach the people in your market or teach the people in your niche. And if you would like some help getting started, you might want to check out our strategic marketing framework training that my team put together. You can find that at impc.ws/SMF. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insider Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight and have a great night. Take care.